Hello, welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen again. Today I am going to make summer fruit powerballs and cacao powerball. So let's come and look at the ingredients, see what I got today. All the high nutrition. The ingredient for powerball today, we're going to use the soft date and the raw oat, and I got some chia seeds and the sunflower seeds, also this black and white sesame seeds and the pumpkin seeds, and got this summer berries, raspberries and the strawberries. So it's really easy to make this recipe. I'm gonna use about 150 grams of soft dates into the chopper or blender, whatever you call. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of oil into the blender, just like that, and about 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds, and then about 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon. I put about 1 teaspoon of the chia seeds. You can put as much as you like, but I think 1 teaspoon is enough. So then you can put as much berry as you like. I'll put about that much. And also this strawberry. And we're gonna blend this in 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. And you end up with a really nice powerball. So it's really nice and quick, and you should have the consistency something like this. So it takes only a couple minutes to blend, and I'm gonna make it into the bowl in a minute. And yeah, you can also put like ground flax seeds and also like cashew nuts and things like that as well if you prefer. I'm gonna do the cacao powerball version, so I'm gonna do the same at how I did it with the summer berry. I'm gonna use less dates, and I'm going to add the same amount as how I did the summer berry powerball. Because I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of raw cacao, I'm going to add only a little bit of berry, less than the one that summer berry. So do 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. They got a really high iron, this one. So, and you also like blend everything in like how I did with summer berry. So let's do it again. That's it. So it should get a consistency like this. So now I got the cacao mix and the summer berry mix here. I'm going to make into the bowls, and I am using the mini paper cup here. So let's start it with this one first. So I'm gonna use my hand. I already washed my hand. So easy to make, and it's really yummy. I made it last week and it's gone so quick. Everybody love it. I took it into work as well, and all the staff love it. So it just end up like this. This is the summer berry powerball. So you can see it's so easy to make. So here we go. This is summer berry powerball, and this is raw cacao powerball. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this recipe is really easy to make and really quick as well if you like something sweet and something that's really quick to eat. So this is this week's menu. We make some desserts, and it's powerball. This one is summer berry, and this one is raw cacao, and I hope you like it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to Love Vegan. We upload new videos, the vegan food, vegan dessert, and all about vegan every Thursday at 7 o'clock UK time. We'll see you next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.